Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek De. Today I am going to teach you the new topic of the Python programming language which is called string object. Now what is basically the string? Actually string is nothing but the collection of alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric data means what? In the case of string we have certain alphabets are present and also we have certain like numbers are present. Now the thing is that in the case of string we have the all type of data component, whatever the data points are present in our keyboard, all the data points are actually nothing but the part of the string. It can be the number, it can be the alphabet or the special character. So now in the case of Python programming language we can treat it the particularly string object as an what, as an object. So in this particular case, I'll show you how to implement the string in the case of Python programming language in order to do certain operation. So let us move on to the Python window and let us do some practical and understand how the implications are there in the case of string. Now guys, what I have just now told you that what is string? String is nothing but the collection of alphanumeric characters. So alphabets are present, numbers are present and also special characters are present in the case of string. Now as because string can be treated as an object, we have certain methods here. We have certain methods here and these particular methods can be used to make different kind of activities, different kind of operations or the implementation in the case of string. So I'm showing you some methods of the string and how to implement these kind of methods in the case of programming in order to make the thing in the string. So now suppose we have already written some codes here. Suppose I have written str equal to, this is string example, wow. Now what I want to convert this particularly t, this particular character into the capital letter. So in order to make this particular thing capital letter, what should I do? I have a function called capitalize function. Now let us execute. See, initially the line was what? This particular, it is started by the small letter, but now check out the console, we can see we have the capital letter. So the name of the function is called actually capitalized, and this function is used to convert the first letter into the capital letter. Now next one. Now I want to make simple thing. I want to convert entire data into the like pure like lower or pure upper, means pure small letter or the capital letter. So in order to do this particular thing here, initially what I am doing, suppose I am taking the variable name equal to Ram. So name variable, it is keeping a particular data called Ram. Now I want to convert entire data into the lowercase or the small letter. So if I execute this particular thing, I can get the RAM, which is basically the small letter. Now if I am executing this data, let us execute the code, I can see this. That is basically the capital letter. Now that is a very easy function, guys. Now what I want actually, I want that a particular function that will return true if the string variable is containing the pure alphabet. Pure alphabet means I can have the ABCD, this kind of data, but I should not have any kind of numbers. I should not have any kind of numbers there. So in order to make this particular thing, what should I do? I have a function called isAlpha. So the name of the function is called what? IsAlpha function, and this particular function can test it. A particular string variable is keeping the pure alphabet or not. Suppose I am telling you, I am calling the name.isAlpha. So execute the code. You can see I'm getting what? I am getting the true here. So I am getting true means what? IsAlpha is a Boolean type function. It is returning the Boolean type of data, which is basically the true here, because name is keeping what? Name is keeping the pure RAM. But if I am entering here RAM12 and if I am executing the data here now, just execute the code here, execute this code, shift enter, and after that execute this code, you can see guys it is coming the false. Why it is false? RAM12 is what? RAM12 is the mixture of the alphanumeric character, which is not expected in the case of isAlpha. So isAlpha is a predefined function of the string object which can check the status of the alphanumeric data. If the string, it is keeping the pure alphabet, means ABCD, like this kind of thing, guys. If it is keeping the pure alphabet, it is actually it will show you what? It will show you the true. But if I'm keeping the mixture type of data with the numbers and the string, it will return what? It will return the false. Now guys, if I'm showing the, suppose we have the next one is called is alpha. Now make it right, actually make it accurate and keep this particular thing nicely, whatever the things are present. Now execute the code, you will see it is true. Now opposite case is also there. There is a function called isDigit function. Now guys, isDigit is always checking the number portion. If the string is keeping the pure number, it is actually returning what? It is checking by the isDigit function. If the string is containing the pure number, isDigit function will return true. Just try to understand. If the string, it is keeping the pure number means here I defined a equal to 10. When I have specified here a equal to 10, that implies it's nothing but pure number. So in this particular situation, if I call the isDigit a dot isDigit, it will return what? It will return the true. But if I make it suppose like 10 m, if I'm creating 10 m and after that I am executing the code, you will see I am getting false. Because what is the utility of the isDigit? The main utility of the isDigit function is that it can only check the status of the number inside string. If the string variable is keeping the pure number, definitely it's a number string, definitely, because we know it very well. In the case of string, we have the two part. One is called actually alphabet part, one is called number part, and also there is other part is also present, which is basically called what? Which is basically called special character, like at the rate, exclamatory sign, like this. So whatever, if I want to check the pure number part here, I should call what? I should call the isDigit function, and by using the isDigit function we are able to check. Now suppose make this particular thing accurate again execute the code here. I can see what? I can see that true is coming. So this particular thing is called what? This one is called isDigit function. Now guys, next one. Suppose there are different type of functions are present in the case of string. Suppose what I want actually, now see, if I want to do like this, suppose here I am writing address equal to Hadoop is used for the data analysis. Now what I want to replace the Hadoop by the machine learning. So what should I do? In order to do this particular thing, I should call a predefined function called replace function. So if I execute this particular code, now you can see Hadoop is used for the data analysis, that is the initial line, but we can see Hadoop is replaced by the machine learning by the replace. So now we are getting what? We are getting the machine learning. So what is replace? Replace is a predefined function guys, and this particular function is used to replace the previous data by the present data. So Hadoop is replaced by the machine learning over here. So I hope you understood this particular thing. Now guys, suppose here I am writing something like that. Suppose I am writing data equal to, suppose what I am writing, I can write here big data is a problem statement. I have written this particular thing. Now guys, what I want actually, I want to, we can see this is nothing but a completely collection of some words. Like big data, it's a word, is definitely it's a word, a definitely, although it's a single letter, but here it's a word, problem is a word, statement also is a word. Now what I want to convert entire particularly string into the list object. What I want to convert the particularly string data into the pure list object. But how to do this particular thing? Now see, in order to do this particular thing, what should I do right now? Call the print. Here we have a pure function called split function. The name of the function is called what? Split. Now in the case of split function, here we want to particularly split the data, but here what we are actually using, we are actually using the space, because you can see here I define the particularly code here, there is a space is present, that is why. So I am executing the code, then you can practically understand how the things are working right now. Execute the code. Now see, big data, it's a word, is particularly what, a definitely it's a word in this case, problem, statement. So all the data is converted into what? All the data is converted into the pure element of the list object. It is converted into the pure element of the list object. Split function is important in the time of interview, guys. It is very important in the time of interview also. So guys, this is the some utility of the string. This is some functions of the string. So more function I will show you in the more advanced topic of the Python. So now I'm keeping this particular video in this particular length only. So if you have any kind of query, if you have any kind of doubt, please comment. And also I am telling you, if you feel that this particular video is providing you a little bit solution, then please do like, subscribe and share this video. It is, guys, it is giving me lots of encouragement to provide more videos, guys. So I'm expecting that you guys will make like more, like, share and subscribe if you feel that this video is beneficial for you. Okay, and in the next video I'll start the important topic, that is basically the object orientation part of the Python. So before this particular thing, do some experimentation of the coding of the Python. Check out, find out more functions, more utility of the Python. I have introduced this particular thing. More thing I'll show you, more thing I'll expose you at future when I'll show you the class object, this particular part. Lots of utility will come. So now here I am actually hanging up the video, and let us make the video let us make the video for the class and object in our next tutorial. Okay, thank you.